Hi guys, welcome to Quality Factory Asia. I'm Mitch from Trust Inspection Service. We audit thousands of factories every year. And today we're going to take you with us, so let's go check it out. So I'm standing outside of Yisun Furniture Factory in Foshan, Guangdong, China, where they make office furniture and home furniture. We're going to take a tour of the factory, have a chat with the boss, and then check out some of their highlights. So let's go take a look. So here we are inside. As you can see, this is the sample room where they have several products up for display. They have office desks, office chairs.
After visiting the sample room, we'll go to the workshop to see how these sleek esports gaming chairs are made. Let's take a look at the production process from start to finish. There are batches of metal seat frames delivered by suppliers, which will be used in the production process later. According to the customer's product size and shape, the designer will accurately draw the shape of each part of the product on the brown paper by computer drawing software. Then, it's cut out to get a complete set of paper templates of the product, which is used to cut the fabric.
All right, so here we are in the workshop of Yisun Furniture Factory. They're putting together gaming chairs in this room. So to start the process, they will stack layers of raw material for the fabric and cut them all at the same time so they're all the same size and shape. That way there's less deviation between the units. After that, they will start to stitch the pieces together to create the seams, which will eventually be fit into the back of the chair. Over here, in this room, this is where they create the shape of the chair. They will cut pieces of plywood and attach it to a metal frame. After those two pieces are put together, they'll send it over here, where these pieces of foam will be attached to the chair to make it a bit more comfortable. And then finally, the fabric that was stitched and sewn together earlier will be fit over the top of the frame and then attached to the staple.
Once the seats and backrests have been assembled, workers send them along with armrests, footrests, and other components to a packing team, where they are packed into boxes and sent to warehouses, and then shipped to customers around the world. After visiting the workshop, let's have a chat with the CEO of the factory, Vicky.
So Vicky, thanks for having us here today. To start, can you tell us a bit about yourself?
My name is Vicky. I come from Yisun Group. I was born in Hunan, and I worked in this company about 12 years.
Okay. So you've been making furniture here since 2008, right?
Yes.
So what kind of products do you specialize in?
Our main products is for office furniture and home furniture. Office furniture, for example, office table, office chair, and office sofa, and office cabinet, and also different material. For example, is melamine and wood veneer and steel. All like this products.
So what are some of your biggest export markets?
Our main market is American and Europe, and also have Middle East and Africa.
Okay, so you have customers in a lot of different countries right now.
Yeah, a lot of different countries.
I see. So does your company have its own brand, and can you do OEM and ODM products?
Yes, our company have our brand. it is in control. And of course, we also can do ODM and OEM. If you have your own design, we can make it by your design. And if you want to ask our company design for you is also okay. We have our design department.
Okay.
So if you have project order, so you just give me your layout. Then our designer can, according to your layout, can make the 3D imagination.
Okay, so you have established your own brand.
Yes.
You can do ODM products and OEM.
Yes.
And even design
even
products.
We also can make the design for you.
Okay, so you have a very flexible options for different kinds of customers.
Yes.
Great, very interesting. So we all know that many factories can produce all levels of quality, right?
Yes.
So how does your company differentiate between high quality and low quality?
For our company, our quality level is belong to medium and high. But if the customer have big quantity and he want to cut down the cost, we also can do it because we use different material. So of course, if we change the material, we must meet the customer requirement. He said yes, then we can exchange it.
Okay, so you try to match the quality level to your customer's budget.
Yes.
And then communicate to them what kind of quality level that's going to be.
Yeah, so our work is very flexible.
Flexible,
Yes.
Okay, I see. So can you tell us how you would handle a large order with a tight deadline?
Like this one, last 2 months, we just got one order. Is about 6 container and 20 days master delivery. So we discussed with the customer how can we deliver on time. So we reached agreement. At first, he just send us 5% deposit. Then we go to buy all the material, come back to my factory because now in China all the raw material is in short supply. So when we buy all the material in our warehouse, so we can do the sample. So about the sample confirm, we use 10 days because the color and the material and the design difference. So once the sample confirmed, so we can go to the import production. So finally we use 19 days to finish 6 container.
So what do you think are your biggest advantages in your market?
I think our company advantage, the first is our quality control because we have 12 years experience. So our workers and our production manager is very professional. So our quality is very stable. So we can control the quality. And the second, our advantage is our professional service because we ask our sales serve customers' requirements within 12 hours. So all the sales can speak English very well, so they can discuss and talk with customer directly, and it is more convenient.
So since most of your workers have been here a long time,
Yes.
they're very skilled at their work.
Yes.
And you can maintain a good level of quality control.
Yes.
And you have a large sales team
Yes.
that can communicate very well in English with different customers.
Yeah, and then our company also asked them must answer customer question within 12 hours.
Within 12 hours?
Yeah,
Okay.
within 12 hours.
I think that's really important for buyers who are in different time zones overseas.
Yes.
Okay, great. All right, so our tour of Isun Furniture Factory in Foshan is finished for today. We saw that they have a robust production system for making sure they keep quality standards, a very large English-speaking sales team to make sure their customer needs are met, and my personal favorite, the ability to not only produce OEM and ODM products, but also to design a product or an entire room in 3D around your concept or idea. I want to give a huge thank you to Vicky and the Isun team for having us today and showing us around. Thanks, guys. Thanks for tagging along with us today. I hope you all enjoyed it. We would love to have you join us next time for Quality Factories Asia. So hit the like button and subscribe, and and we'll see you at the next factory. Goodbye.